Act like the person you want to become. And that isn't about faking it until you make it, it's about being intentional. When you deliberately act like the person you aspire to become, your brain starts to see you taking those actions and starts to change the way it relates to you. This is the key to rewiring your mindset. Now, when it comes to manifesting, let's take a strategic approach. I want you to start thinking about manifesting not as a wishful thinking, but as building a bridge. Manifestation is a process that spans across the three horizons, the near, the mid, and the far horizons of your strategic approach. The far horizon represents 10% of your focus. This is your ultimate goal, your long-term vision, the version of yourself or the success you aim to achieve. It's important to know what you're working towards, but it's not where the majority of your energy goes right now. The near horizon is where you are today, your current reality. This is where 70% of your effort should be. It's about honing your skills, taking concrete action, and developing the habits necessary to move forward. It's the here now of your journey. And this is where most of your focus must be directed to achieve your tangible results through uncomfortable, consistent, and focused action. Then comes the mid-horizon, where 20% of your focus goes. This is the strategic bridge of visualization, planning, and manifestation that are the building blocks of this bridge that gets you from the state you are now to the place you want to be. But you're not manifesting the entire dream all at once. You're manifesting the next step, laying down each strategic bridge to cross from where you are now to where you want to be. Each step you take in this mid-horizon reinforces the bridge between your current reality and your future vision. The key takeaway for you here is that you are capable of breaking any pattern, regaining control of your health, launching a business, earning millions, achieving goals that you set your mind to do. I believe that anyone who takes the uncomfortable, consistent, and focused action towards their goals along the strategic bridges will be rewarded. Visualization is important, but action is critical. As you work daily on your near horizon and build that strategic bridge across your mid horizon, you'll move closer to your ultimate goal. Good luck and have a great journey.